Welcome to the Grayson floor plan by HHHunt. This spacious single-family floor plan offers up to 3,530 square feet of carefully crafted living space with options for 4 to 5 bedrooms and 2.5 to 4 bathrooms. Step into a kitchen where elegance meets functionality, complete with sleek granite countertops, modern cabinetry, and an optional butler's pantry. The kitchen flows seamlessly into an expansive living room and nook, providing an ideal spot for entertaining friends or spending cozy nights in with family. The downstairs also includes a formal dining room, study, and garage. Outside, a private covered porch and optional deck invite you to unwind, whether you're sipping your morning coffee or relaxing at the end of a long day. Upstairs, you are greeted with a loft and several comfortable bedrooms, each with access to a full bathroom and a large walk-in closet. You'll appreciate the convenience of a laundry room on this floor, making daily chores simple and efficient. This primary suite is spacious and stunning. It includes a large private bathroom with linen closet, dual vanities, and of course, an expansive walk-in closet. Homeowners can also choose to build out the optional third floor. The Grayson, where style meets function. Schedule a tour today at hhhunthomes.com.